This exam question is about excretion. It says explain, so we've got to use our scientific knowledge why more urea, that's important, more urea is produced when eating a protein-rich diet. So we've got to use this terminology in our answer about more. Alright, so if we're eating a protein-rich diet, then there's going to be more proteins taken into the body, more proteins broken down, alright, so more proteins converted to amino acids. Those amino acids then are going to enter the hepatic cells of the liver, which are going to remove the amine group from the amino acids. So therefore we've got more deamination, which is the process of removing the amine group from amino acids and converted it into which is removing amino acid at the amine group NH2 from the amino acid, and the second part, the remaining part, the carbohydrate, will then be used in respiration. So we've now got NH2 will then be converted to NH3, so we've got more ammonia produced. And ammonia is highly toxic and highly soluble. So more ammonia then will enter the ornithine cycle. So more ammonia enters the ornithine cycle. You need to make sure that you know the ornithine cycle and what's going on in the ornithine cycle. But the ornithine cycle will then convert ammonia, which is highly soluble and highly toxic, into less soluble and less toxic urea. So if we've got more ammonia into the ornithine cycle, we're then going to have more urea produced. And that then takes us back to this question. So explain why more urea is produced. We've got to the more urea by saying that there's more ammonia entering the ornithine cycle. That came from more ammonia, which was produced by deamination, because there was more deamination because we had more proteins that are broken down to amino acids.